Heavenly Father, I come before you with a humble heart, seeking your divine healing touch. You are the great physician, and I trust in your power to restore health and wholeness to my body. I surrender my illness into your hands, knowing that you are the source of all healing. May your healing grace flow through me, bringing comfort, strength, and restoration. Dear Lord, you say that I should ask you for whatever I need. To those who ask, it will be given. To those who seek, it will be found. To those who knock, the door will be opened. I ask you for healing and recovery today. You are the God of all hope, and so I look to you in my time of need. You are the healing God. Please bring healing. God of peace, I come before you with a restless heart, seeking the tranquility that only you can provide. Calm the storms within me and grant me the peace that surpasses all understanding. Help me to trust in your plan and to surrender my worries and fears to you.